Hello kids! In this video, we learn future continuous tense. Read. I will be reading a book. Write. She will be writing her notebook. Draw. He will be drawing a picture. Pack. I will be packing my school bag. Carry. He will be carrying her backpack. Play. I will be playing football. Throw. She will be throwing a ball. Catch. He will be catching the ball. Run. They will be running in the park. Jump. I will be jumping on a trampoline. Garden. I will be gardening with my dad. Cycle. We will be cycling together. Skateboard. They will be skateboarding outside. Climb. He will be climbing a wall. Race. They will be racing on the track. Sing. They will be singing a song. Fly. We will be flying a kite. Eat. I will be eating breakfast. Drink. She will be drinking milk. Cook. Mom will be cooking dinner. Bake. We will be baking cookies. Wash. He will be washing his hands. Brush. I will be brushing my teeth. Clean. She will be cleaning her room. Mop. Dad will be mopping the floor. Iron. Mom will be ironing clothes. Sleep. The baby will be sleeping. Watch. We will be watching a cartoon. Listen. I will be listening to music. Water. She will be watering the plants. Fish. He will be fishing by the lake. Camp. We will be camping in the forest. Plant. She will be planting flowers. Feed. He will be feeding the birds. Watch. They will be watching the sunset. Dig. They will be digging the sand. Celebrate. We will be celebrating a birthday. Take. I will be taking photos. Visit. We will be visiting a zoo. Type. I will be typing on a laptop. You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.